Making online money is a very reliable method to become active participants in the economic system in this modernist world. This has become the most popular methodology in the Western countries. But, it seemed, the knowledge on online resource usage is less among Asian and African countries. It is not meant that they are totally away from the subject. There is a small percentage of young individuals who have succeeded in it. The people who are doing it has built up their lives by gaining all the potential facts in it. The potential facts mean skills, knowledge and trusted employers in online platforms. Even though there are talented individuals in every aspect, most of them do not know the best ways to money making online. That is why we plan to post this piece of writing by introducing the most realistic employers and companies worldwide. 10 ways to make money online, make your dreams come true. If you are a one of individual who eagerly waited to know these methods, congratulations. You have come to the real place. First of all, you have to realize, there is nothing any of the sites which are providing free money. It is so amazing if there is such a platform. But, will you give your money which was earned through hard and dedicated working to anyone else without doing any services to you in a regular manner? No. You will do it for your parents, siblings or relations when needed. But, not always. Therefore, do not expect such mad achievements through online jobs. If you really need to achieve your targets through these kinds of jobs, you have to work harder as similar to all other jobs. However, there are advantages such as high earnings, work from home and work in your own timetable, etc. Therefore, it is ideal for students, undergraduates, people with different abilities and housewives. Well, these are the best 10 sites and methods to use in order to make money online. Read the full article in the description website link, slbuddy.com.